Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the new and latest Motorola RAZR Plus. It was released on June 5th, 2023. So I just got it. Not sure why it took that long. So yeah, when it's open, it's a 6.9 inch display. And the resolution is 413 ppi density. And when it's full, the second external is AMOLED, 144 Hz with HDR10 plus, up to 110 nits. And it's a big 3.6 inch, 1056 by 1066. And pixel density is 413 ppi. The main display has 1400 nits peak at 165 Hz, also HDR10 plus, and chipset has a Snapdragon SM8475 8 plus gen, and then the GPU is Adreno 730. By the way, the battery on this is LiPo 3800 mAh. Charging is up to 30 watt wired or 5 watt wireless. They have infinite black, glacier blue, Viva Magenta. So I purchased Magenta since I was checking on the history and then it was sold out. So I figured this must be a popular color. And by the way, it is exclusive to T-Mobile. Unfortunately, this phone is not compatible with the Verizon network. So this one supports GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Anyway, this video is not sponsored by this company, so I purchased with my own money. This one is the 256 gigabyte of storage with 8 gigabyte of RAM. Unfortunately, they didn't offer the 512 gigabyte of storage and 12 gigabyte of RAM. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, it is brand new. So I figured I'd just open from the bottom since the label is on the other side. Oh my god. So you have the big M logo right here. And RAZR Plus. It says Viva Magenta. It says plastic-free packaging. Got the Motorola logo sticker. And there's another sticker on this side. And it says Motorola. So it's come with the USB Type-C cable, guys, and then SIM tool. So I don't think this one comes with the brick. So if you don't have a 30 watts brick, you need to purchase another one. So yeah, let's go and then open this up. Says SIM cards right here. On and off buttons right here. By the way, this one has a fingerprint reader right here. So they don't want you to remove the attached internal screen protector or use a third-party screen protector on the internal screen. Doing so will void the device warranty. So got a nice M logo right there. Well, the reason I did not wait for the Z Flip 5 because the outer screen is a little bit smaller, and this one has a bigger main display. It offers a 6.9 inch instead of a 6.7, and since it is almost similar with the first generation until the fifth, it's kind of getting boring, so I decided not to get the Samsung. So as you see, it has a screen protector on there already. It's a volume rocker. So you got a speaker and then a microphone right here. Pretty good size, look at that. And you could also do your TikTok, Instagram over here, YouTube, and playing. I think they have pre-installed 5 games on here, so pretty nice. This is the main screen that made me fall in love with it, and we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. By the way, this is just an unboxing video. Gonna power on, probably need to set it up, so well, yeah, I need to set it up and everything, so yeah, please drop a comments on below. See what you guys think about this phone. compared to the Z flips. And this one fold evenly, unlike the Z flip. By the way, this is kind of like a leather feel like instead with this glass. And this one also, you could hold it like this while you try to record like a video cam and stuff like that, like an old school, old style. So see how comfortable it's gonna be for the long recording and stuff. So we can use it like this. Pretty nice. Anyway, we will set this up and wait for the review, okay? By the way, I forgot to unbox what's inside here. Should be just a charging cable, the guides, and then a SIM tool. So this is the SIM eject tool. So it'll be over here. And you got the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. By the way, this one has NFC. And wireless charging. That's how you install your SIM card. So you have the 12 megapixel, 13 megapixel, and then the internal is 32 megapixel. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.